worked with 3 different anaplastologists over the years, and I can say with full assurance that Allison is the most skilled that I've ever seen. The level of her work has made it so I can live my life without anyone knowing that I have a prosthetic ear, and when people find out, I get to brag about how talented Allison is. She takes the time to get to know her patients, and on a personal level has built a relationship with me that feels like seeing a friend when I do come to see her. I honestly look forward to coming to see the entire team at Mosaic Prosthetics and thank them for everything that they've done for me.